Let me ask you something simple. If I gave you $100 right now, could you turn it into something big? You might think, not really, that's just $100. But guess what? With the right tools and a smart plan, that $100 could be your first step to real online income and yes, even wealth. Today, I will show you exactly how to get rich with $100 using your Sellvia store. Let's break it down step by step. Now, here's the deal. $100 might not seem like much, but in dropshipping, especially with Sellvia, it's a powerful starting point. So you already have your store running. Now you're thinking, how do I actually make money with this? Let's check out the options we have. And let's start with Sellvia ads, one of the most powerful ways to grow really fast. You can use your $100 to run ads for 10 days straight, and you're not shooting in the dark here. This system promotes your products on Amazon, TikTok, Google, Instagram, and Facebook, all at once. It's fully automated and, by the way, powered by AI. Just activate it and the tool does the rest. Now, Sellvia clients get from 2 to 4 times return on their ad spend. So even if you just start with $100, that could bring in from $200 to $400 in revenue. Not bad, right? And a bonus tip, Sellvia also gives you a $40 coupon, so you get up to 4 more days of ads completely for free. That's extra reach and, of course, extra sales. Prefer to fill your store with high-converting products? Use that $100 for one of the proven product packages. You will find weekly and monthly hits, monthly bestsellers, hot-selling USA sensations, winning products with more than $300,000 in retail value, brand product collections, and much more. These aren't random items. They are curated based on real market trends and sales statistics. Just plug them into your store and start selling the products right away. Now, want to get noticed more and make those products work harder for you? Here's what else you can do with your $100, or even less, The backlinks tool. Want more people to find your store? This tool boosts your SEO by helping you build backlinks on trusted platforms. That means higher rankings in search results, more organic traffic, and more potential buyers. The YouTube video marketing tool. Get custom video content to promote your store on YouTube, the world's second largest search engine. And this tool helps improve your rankings, boost engagement, and increase conversions by up to 80%. These tools are plug and play, no tech skills, no stress. And Sellvia often drops exclusive $100 vouchers by email or SMS. Yes, a full $100 to spend on any product package, service, or tool. So keep an eye on those newsletters and texts. You don't want to miss that kind of boost. That's how you win, and with that extra $100, you can grab some of the most powerful marketing tools to grow your store faster. Now, let me show you a few of those. The social media marketing tool. Get scroll-stopping, ready-to-post content for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. No design needed, just post and go. It is perfect for keeping your store active and, of course, visible. The email marketing tool. Drive repeat sales with automated email flows. Welcome new customers, send promotions, thank buyers for their purchases, and even more, all with professionally written emails you don't have to create yourself. TikTok and Instagram store tool. Make your products buyable directly in the apps people use on everyday basis. This tool connects your store to TikTok Shop and Instagram Shopping, boosting visibility and, of course, sales. Now, these tools are built to do the heavy lifting while you focus on growing, and that $100 voucher can help you get them without spending extra money from your own pocket. So now let's recap. how to get rich with $100. Run 10 days of ads and get up to 4 more with $40 bonus. Add trending product packs to increase your sales. Use powerful marketing tools to attract more and more customers. And stay alert for your $100 Sellvia voucher. It's real and it's gold. You don't need to guess, hustle harder, or start from scratch. Just use what's already working and let your store grow. Now scroll down, check the links in the description, and grab the tools you need. You've got $100. Now let's make it work like $1,000. Like, comment, and of course, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.